going on, guys? Thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I'm working on a 2016 Mercedes Sprinter. The blower motor stopped working. I'm going to show you guys how to get to it and what to do to fix it. It's pretty easy to get to. You're just going to have to get the glove box out. It's like 7 screws. I'm going to show you right now exactly how to do it. Hopefully that's enough light. It's a little dark. It's winter time. Alright, so you're going to have 7 screws. First, when you open the glove box, it's going to be in place like this. You're just going to open it up, and up here, right here and right here, there's these 2 tabs. You have to push them up and pull down on the glove box so you pass the point. And same thing on this side, you push up, you pull down, and then you're able to flap down the glove box. It's going to be attached. Obviously you're going to have the screws in here because I already took them out. So then there's 3 here, 1, 2, 3. They're Torx 20s. Once you get that out, you just have to kind of work it out. There's these little tabs here and here that are going to be holding them in. Let's see if I can focus in. There's one that's going to be here. One is going to be right here. And one's going to be right here. And then on the end here you have this plastic piece. If you look right underneath, you're going to have 1 more Torx holding it on. I already removed mine. Once you get it out, this kind of just unclips. Let me put this camera down real quick. So you're just going to grab it and it pops right out. There's a little guy that kind of holds it in place, and the screw is right at the bottom here. So once you have that out the way, this center piece is going to be loose. You're going to have to work it out. Top comes out first, and then all the bottom. Just be careful because you're going to have a light attached here. I already unclipped mine. What you want to do is you want to push it in and then click the tab and then pull it out. Then once that's out of the way, you have access to pretty much everything. This is your fan right here. This connector right here, going right to the fan, is what supplies power to the fan. I would test to see if you have 12 volts there. You can even unclip it and be very careful, but supply it positive in the ground, and if it turns on, then you know your fan is good. And then the next thing that could be bad is this resistor, which it sits like this. I already had it out, I'm sorry. Alright, yeah, so your resistor is right here. Let me get a little more light on here. Yep, that's your resistor. You can check to see if you have power on the brown wire, the red wire. I'm not sure what this tiny wire does. I didn't look at a diagram. And the black wire is your ground. So for me, it wasn't the fan. I powered it up and it was working fine. I had power on these cables here. I had power here, I had power here, my fan turned on, and it ended up being the resistor. So to take the resistor out, all you have to do is literally just twist it to the left, counterclockwise, unclip the connector. There's 2 tabs on each side. comes right out. Twist it out, and then here's your blower motor resistor. This is what controls the blower speeds. It's able to slow it down. Might be really hot if your fan is working and you pull this out. These fins can be really hot, so be careful. So one more thing I just wanted to mention, if you have more of these trucks that you can grab a resistor from, it's very easy to just get it out without removing this whole glove box. You would just have to stick your hand back here. Obviously you got to lay down and look up. It's kind of hard to see, but you're able to get your hand down under here, give this a nice little twist counterclockwise, unclick the tab, and then there's enough room to get this out and put another one in. Just don't forget, it could be hot if you're pulling it out of another truck that's been running and using the fan. That was it. Pretty easy, right? Good luck. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm gonna try to make more videos. Let me know if you like these. I'll make more. Thank you.